Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice simplification problem that fourth root of minus 1. So we have to just simplify this. Starting our solution here, fourth root of minus 1 is equal to, as we know that by exponential identities, if we have nth root of a, then it is equal to a to the power 1 over n. Then it will be minus 1 to the power 1 over 4. Now our next step will be fourth root of minus 1 is equal to this minus 1, as we know that minus 1 is equal to iota squared. So here we just put iota squared whole to the power 1 over 4. Now our next step is here fourth root of minus 1 is equal to iota squared times 1 over 4. So cancelling 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Then we get fourth root of minus 1 is equal to iota to the power 1 over 2. Now we have that this fourth root of minus 1 is equal to, it can be written as iota square root. Now let us consider, here we are going to just let this square root of iota, it is equal to a plus b iota, that is square root of iota. So here we have this a plus b iota is equal to square root of this one, that iota. So now putting this value here, then fourth root of minus 1 is equal to a plus b iota. So here it is our equation number 1. Now so this a plus b iota, we just write on this term here, that a plus b iota is equal to square root of square root of iota. So now if we just take squared on both hand side, then we get a plus b iota whole squared is equal to square root of iota whole squared. Here we are going to just cancel square with square root. Here we have a plus b whole squared, that is, we know that if we have a plus b whole squared, then it is equal to a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Using this identity, then we get here a squared plus 2 times a times b iota and plus b times iota whole squared is equal to, here we get iota. Now a squared plus 2 times a times b iota and plus here we get b squared times iota squared is equal to iota. Now a squared plus 2ab iota plus b squared, and we know that iota squared is equal to minus 1, so it is equal to iota. Now here we have a squared plus 2 times ab iota and plus time minus is minus, b squared is equal to iota. Now if we write that a squared and it is minus b squared plus 2 times a times b iota, then here if we just add 0 with iota, so we have, there are real and imaginary parts. Here it is real part and 0 is real part. So here we have imaginary on our left hand side and it is imaginary on our right hand side. So if we just compare the reals and imaginary parts, so we get here a squared minus b squared is equal to 0, and similarly our imaginary part 2ab iota, which is equal to iota. So now our next step will be, so here 2ab iota. If we divide iota on both hand side, so we get this iota is cancelled with iota, and here we get 1 because iota is cancelled out with iota, so we get 2ab is equal to 1. Now if we find the value of b here, then we have to divide 2a on both hand side. Now this 2a is cancelled out with 2a, so we get, here we have that b is equal to, it is cancelled out, so we get b is equal to 1 over 2a. Now if we just use this value of b in our equation, that a squared minus b squared, so here we have a squared minus b squared is equal to 0. Now b is equal to this one, so a squared minus b is 1 over 2a whole squared is equal to 0. Now this a squared minus 1 squared is 1 over 2a whole squared is equal to 0. Now we have a squared, that is a squared, and minus 1 over 2 squared is 4. A squared, a is a squared, so 1 over 4a squared is equal to 0. Here we have the denominator is 1, so we are going to take least common multiple, which is 4a squared. So 4a squared times a squared, we get 4a to the power 4 minus, here we get 1, that is equal to 0. Now if we multiply 4a squared on both hand side, so 4a squared times 4a to the power 4 minus 1 all over 4a squared is equal to 0 times 4a squared. So this 4a squared is cancelled out with 4a squared. We get 4a to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to, here we have 0. Now 4a to the power 4, shifting this one, we get plus 1. So dividing 4 on both hand side, then we have cancelling this 4 with 4. A to the power 4 is equal to 1 over 4. Now taking fourth root on both hand side, so a to the power 4 is equal to 1 over 4. Now taking fourth root here, so fourth root on our left hand side and fourth root on our right hand side. Here this fourth root is cancelled out with 4, so we have a is equal to, here 1 over 4 whole to the power 1 over 4. Now a is equal to, here a is equal to 1 over, this 4 can be written as 2 squared, and 1 to the power 1 over 4 is 1, and 2 square to the power 1 over 4. Now here we have 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, so a is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 1 over 2, and a is equal to 1 over square root of 2. 1 over square root of 2. Here we get the value of a, and we also have the value of b. So now, as we know that, recalling our equation, that b is equal to 1 over 2a. So here if we just put the value of a, as we know that a is equal to 1 over square root of 2, so it will be, here we have that b is equal to 1 over 2, that is 1 over 2 times, here we have value of a, so we just write that 1 over square root of 2. Now it can also be written as b is equal to 1 divided by 2 times 1 over square root of 2, and as we know that if we have that a, so it is equal to square root of a times square root of a. So this 2 can be written as that square root of 2. B is equal to that 1 divided by square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2. Now this square root of 2 is cancelled out. We get 1 divided by square root of 2. Here b is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Now we have the value of b and value of a. So recalling our equation 1 here, that recall our equation number 1. So our equation 1 is given by, that is fourth root of minus 1 is equal to a plus b iota. So putting here, then we get fourth root of minus 1 is equal to a plus b iota. Here putting the values of a and b. So fourth root of minus 1 is equal to, value of a is 1 over square root of 2, and similarly value of b is 1 over square root of 2 iota. So here we have fourth root of minus 1 is equal to that 1 over square root of 2 plus iota times 1 is iota over square root of 2. So it is our final value, that we have just simplified fourth root of minus 1 to 1 over square root of 2 plus iota over square root of 2. So it is our final answer. I really hope you have enjoyed this video and have understand all these steps one by one. Now we are going to just review our problem. That is our problem. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.